Hey, I'm Kale with Means Woodshop. Welcome to Means Minis, where today we're gonna make this bandsaw box that looks like my hat. Let's check it out. You know, it's probably been several months since we've had a Means Mini, so I think it's about time, don't you think? Bandsaw boxes are really easy, and they're really fun, and they're very customizable. Now you just want to get started cutting away at your shape. What you want to do is you want to cut your back off. You really just want to cut maybe like a 1/4 inch. I'm going to cut the drawer out. That's the step you want to take after you remove the back. So for your drawer, you gotta cut out the front and the back. You're gonna need to remember which side is your front and which side is your back. I'll just remove that entire piece once again on the bandsaw. I just put a bead of glue down where that entry point was for the bandsaw blade. Probably depending on what kind of blade you have. It'll leave these ridges. I don't know if you could see that. We're not trying to sand it down to a finish ready surface. Clean off the ridges. Gluing the drawer front and back on there, and then gluing the back on. While you're waiting on the rest of your box to dry, it's a good time to make a little pole or knob for your drawer. I just drew that hat shape. Wipe on poly on. So here's the bandsaw box. The bandsaw box is done. It looks like you could maybe use another coat of wipe on poly, but whatever, dude. Can I be honest with y'all about something? I've made wooden boxes and I never know what to do with them. I don't know what to put in them or what. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop, because besides these Means Minis that I post every once in a while, I have new main woodworking projects every Friday, and usually on Wednesdays I have a follow-up on those projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on Friday.